of Science and Biological Science for Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. Biological science, a subset of natural science, is concerned with the study of life and living organisms. It seeks to understand the complexities of life through a systematic exploration of organisms' structure, function, evolution, growth, origin, and interactions with their environments. This comprehensive understanding is vital not just for scientific progress, but for solving real world challenges like disease, environmental preservation, and the sustainable use of natural resources. To present a full understanding for a 16-mark answer, this discussion will cover the nature of science, general characteristics of science. The nature of biological science, specific features of biology as a scientific discipline. The scope of science, the breadth of scientific inquiry across multiple domains. The scope of biological science, key areas and disciplines within biology. 1. The nature of science. Science is a systematic, evidence-based approach to understanding the natural world. Its core principles are empirical. Science is based on observations and experiments. Data is collected and analyzed to draw conclusions. Objective. Science seeks to remove biases by using controlled methods to test hypotheses. The aim is to uncover universal truths, regardless of personal or cultural perspectives. Tentative. Scientific knowledge is not absolute. New discoveries can revise or replace existing theories. Cumulative and progressive. Science builds on previous knowledge, continuously progressing through refinements and expansion. Replicable. Results should be consistent and replicable by others under the same conditions. Predictive. Science aims to not only explain phenomena but also to predict outcomes based on current understanding. Hypothesis-driven. Scientific inquiry often begins with a hypothesis, which is then tested through experiments and observations. Theory and law. A theory is an explanation based on a body of evidence, while a law is a statement based on repeated experimental observations describing aspects of the universe. Interdisciplinary. Science is interconnected, meaning discoveries in one area often influence others. For example, chemistry and physics are deeply connected to biological processes. 2. The nature of biological science. Biological science, or biology, is the study of life. Its nature aligns with the principles of science but is applied specifically to living organisms and life processes. Biological science is characterized by the following attributes. Complexity and diversity. Biology explores the enormous variety of life forms, from simple single-celled organisms to highly complex multicellular beings. Interdependence. Life forms interact with each other and with non-living components of the environment, forming ecosystems. Molecular to ecosystem. Biological science spans a range of scales, from the molecular level, genes, proteins, to organisms, populations, and entire ecosystems. Homeostasis and regulation. Biological entities maintain internal balance and regulate their functions to survive in changing environments. Evolution. Central to biological science is the theory of evolution, which explains how life has changed over time and continues to adapt through natural selection. Adaptation. Organisms possess traits that allow them to survive and reproduce in their environments. Observation and experimentation. Biology relies on careful observation and experimentation, often involving control and experimental groups to test hypotheses. Use of models. Biological science often uses models to simulate systems that are too large, small, or complex to study directly. 3. The scope of science. The scope of science is vast, extending to every domain of the natural world and human knowledge. Scientific disciplines fall into broad categories. Physics, study of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. Chemistry, study of the composition, structure, properties, and change of matter. Geology, study of Earth's physical structure and processes. Astronomy, study of celestial objects and the universe. Biology, the study of living organisms. Engineering, application of science to design and build systems and structures. Medical science, use of biological and chemical sciences to improve health and treat diseases. Data collection and analysis, statistical methods, computational modeling. Technological advancements, use of instruments like telescopes, microscopes, and medical imaging for deeper insights into scientific phenomena. 4. The scope of biological science. The scope of biological science is similarly extensive, covering a wide array of topics related to life and living organisms. Key fields within biological science include botany, study of plants, their structure, function, growth, and importance. Zoology, study of animals, their physiology, development, and behavior. Microbiology, study of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Genetics, study of genes, heredity, and genetic variation in living organisms. Ecology, study of organisms' interactions with their environment and other living beings. Evolutionary biology, study of the origin and changes in species over time. Physiology, study of the functions and mechanisms in living organisms. Cell biology, study of cells, their structure, and functions as the basic units of life. Biochemistry, combines biology and chemistry to study living organisms at a molecular level. Biotechnology, application of biological principles to develop products and technologies, particularly in health, agriculture, and industry. Environmental science, studies how biological processes affect and are affected by the environment, focusing on conservation, pollution, and sustainability. Medicine and healthcare, biological science is crucial in understanding human health and developing treatments for diseases. Agriculture, application of biology to improve crop yields, pest control, and sustainable farming practices. Environmental conservation, use of biological knowledge to preserve biodiversity and ecosystems. Science education, biology is a core subject in schools and universities, fostering scientific literacy and encouraging students to explore careers in health, agriculture, conservation, and research. Problem solving, biological knowledge is applied to tackle problems such as climate change, disease control, and food security. Critical thinking and inquiry, learning biological science enhances critical thinking as students use observation, experimentation, and evidence-based reasoning to understand life systems. In summary, the nature of biological science is shaped by the principles of scientific inquiry but is uniquely focused on understanding living organisms and their complex interactions. Its scope is broad, spanning from the molecular level to entire ecosystems and influencing fields such as medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. Biology not only enhances our knowledge of life but also contributes to solving pressing global challenges, making it a central field within both education and research.